Well, I'm going to put a dry belt on this wheel horse, and hopefully it'll run okay. Been sitting for a while, you can tell. I'm going to get a dry belt on there. The guy's giving it to me, and I'm going to use that to pull my trailers around if it runs okay. 257H. I hooked up the battery and had it turn it over. Put a little gas in the carb. Ride home. Well, I got her home, and I'm going to do a lot of cleaning the way it looks. Figure out how that mower deck goes back on there. I wasn't going to put it on, but I decided I would. It looks like that. It didn't lose some linkage or anything. But anyway, got the Kawasaki motor. The guy thought it was around a 1987, I don't know. But it's going to do the job for what I do, just pull my little trailer around. No more ball hitch, no more pickup box trailers, I don't think. Just regular little mower trailers. Grease it up good. Go from there.